How to set up a cPanel email account with Mozilla Thunderbird. This tutorial assumes that you have already installed Mozilla Thunderbird and have an email account with cPanel. Click on Mozilla Thunderbird's icon to open it. Click on the menu icon and go to New to open a Dropbox. Now click on the existing mail account. Enter your name, it will be displayed with your email messages. Enter the email address and password of the email account. Now click on the Continue button. IMAP keeps email at the server and synchronizes the message across multiple devices. POP3 setting by default download emails from the server to your computer and delete emails from the server. You can click on the Option button and select any one option as per your requirement. Now click on the Done button. Click on the Confirm Security Exception button. We have successfully set up the email account with Mozilla Thunderbird. Now close this window and click on Thunderbird's icon to open it. Here is the email account we set up. Go and click on it. From here you can read, write and manage your emails. Thank you for watching.